Hey guys, and welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be putting a slip-on exhaust on my Harley Street 500. See, I got the 13mm, and right here will be the location for your first two bolts to remove, right there. That holds the rear section of your exhaust on. Just loosening them up. Switch over to the stubby. It's a little bit more manageable here. And I won't bore you to death. Moving on. There we have the clamp for the flathead, and that holds on the heat shield. There's two clamps that hold on that specific piece of heat shield. So you can see me here trying to struggle doing this without sticking my head in the camera here. So that's your first clamp. The second one I'll point out here in a bit. Yep, right up there. So I found it easier to just remove those completely. Or if you want to keep the front one on, just loosen it up quite a bit, you can move the heat shield out of the way. There's the 14mm. That'll be for the actual stock exhaust clamp, and you'll reuse that clamp on your new slip-on. It's on there pretty good. Alright, moving to stock exhaust removal. Mine came off fairly easy. I just didn't get it on video. Just got to wiggle it back and forth. You can squirt a little WD-40 in there if you need to, make life easier. Here's the stock exhaust out. It's quite big, pretty cumbersome, heavy, but it does a great job at keeping the bike quiet. But it's a little too quiet, so here's what we got. There's the baffle inside the new Tab Performance slip-on. It's the, I believe, medium mild or something. And you'll put your exhaust clamp right there before you actually install it. But let's throw those 13mm bolts back in. And you got to try to slip on the exhaust and make sure the bolts feed through as well at the same time. This is just me showing you just for demonstration purposes, but you're going to want that exhaust clamp on the outside before you actually slip it on there. Alright, here she is, all said and done. Just going to wipe her down with some isopropyl alcohol. Just remove any fingerprints or oil residue that you left on it. Looking good. Wipe down the heat shield too while I'm at it. Alright, so these next few clips, I'm going to go through the stock exhaust and fire it up, see what it sounds like at stock. And then again, we're going to listen to it with the new Tab Performance slip-on exhaust. Alright guys, here's the next cut. Hope you enjoyed the video. Pretty easy job to do here. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Check out those Crocs.